Hi everybody, I am back and this is the official start of PLANMAS. I haven't made videos in a long time, so this is a really huge undertaking, but I wanted to start off Fountain Pen Friday or Fountain Pen Ink Friday. This is Ferris Wheel Press, part of their ambassador program now. So I got these two inks prior to the release date of December 1st, which these inks are launching today, December 1st. You can go to the link I'll leave down in the description bar below, and you could use that link and the code CTD at checkout for 10% off. It helps support me and also gets you 10% off, which is really great. So I've already posted about these things on Instagram. I've posted 2 videos so far, and this is my I've had this for a while, and this was like in the clearance bin at one of my local bookstores because it had a big fold in the cover on the cover, so I just decided to try to cover it up, but it didn't really work. But this is called, it's the company, it looks like it's a Japanese company, and it's called APICA notebooks, and it's the premium CD notebook on very like soft paper. So I thought it was supposed to be good for fountain pen, but because I've got this glass dip pen that is probably not the best quality, it lays down too much ink sometimes, and you get some bleed through, like almost bleed through on the other side, and a little bit of feathering, which is too bad. This Ferris Wheel Press is called Frontenac Blue, and the company Ferris Wheel Press actually is based in Canada, which I really enjoy. They're out of Markham, Ontario, and I grew up in Mississauga area, so I thought that was a nice little connection that we have there. Everything that Ferris Wheel Press does is so intricate and beautiful. Frontenac Blue, if you can see from that picture too, this illustration in the background is, I'm pretty sure it's the Fairmont Le Chateau Frontenac, or just called Chateau Frontenac. It is a really historic hotel in Quebec City, which is in Quebec, Canada. And it's old Quebec, so you can see that the architecture is very elaborate and ornate from that era. But you also, the characters on here are all animals. So you've got a beaver here, and then it's supposed to be, they have a mascot called Bear Meese. So it's this bear that is featured predominantly in these, like the storytelling that they have for their everyday inks. I saw a moose playing hockey there. So this is supposed to be a shimmering ink, and it is the newest addition to the everyday ink collection. It is, like it says here, it's a sparkling ink, and you can see all of that shimmer that settles there. Very cool icy teal, and it's got that blue shimmer throughout. So the description of this entire scene I will post up here. But their notable things are that all of these characters have been throughout the years. It's kind of like celebration of their entire year of inks. So yeah, I really love all the details that they put into this box. And so that is the first one, which is Frontenac Blue. It's a really gorgeous ink. And then the second one is part of their FerriTales. Also, the boxes are quite well made, and it's difficult to remove the ink from there. This is a pretty iconic little bottle, and it on the bottom says PGT for Plaited Gold Tress. And this is, I really like how they got the foil on this. Like they have the gold foil here on the box, but they also have this like goldish greenish sheen on the rest of the box, which is so reminiscent. Like they color matched it quite well. Tons and tons of sheening pearl shimmer in this ink. It settles quite quickly, but you can really see when it gets laid, the ink gets laid down, you can totally see that shimmer. So this is the 20 ml bottle, and I really think that is just so beautiful. This one is their addition to the like Rapunzel story. So the FerriTales collection goes through a lot of those old fairy tales. So this is a golden yellow with duochrome gold shimmer. So the duochrome is gold and green, which is really cool. And the characteristics is that it's like very sunny, glowing, radiant, rejuvenating. And says this is for Rapunzel, basically her beautiful hair, like the magical hair. So looking beyond the radiance reveals Rapunzel's life in capture, concealed behind towering walls. Her cascading golden tresses flow like a river as vibrant as the sunlit dawn. So it's a really beautiful box as well. In this, you can see tons of braids along the box illustrations, and then this is cat. Is Rapunzel made into a cat character, perhaps? I think that's probably it. There's so many details of these flowers. So these flowers are the enchanted Campanula rapunculus, and it's the beautiful flowers are woven through the hair, and you can really see how intricate this whole thing is. And on this box, I'll read it. It says, "Let down your hair. A golden braid unravels from the top of a tower, beckoning those brave enough to scale its walls. Though the climb may be long, the journey back down will be tougher still. After all, leaving behind all you know will be your chance to grow." It's a little bit tough to read, but that is Plaited Gold Tress, and here the writing sample of it. I'm so excited to have and play with these, a little bit of these inks, to try to make a little something, a little doodle of some sort. But of course, if you wanted to grab these inks, definitely use my link and use the code CTD for 10% off of your order. They're also doing a lot of really great deals right now for Black Friday and the holidays, so definitely check that out. So this one is Plaited Gold Tress. It's a little cute little bottle, and it's like this yellowy ink, yellowy golden ink, while this one is the icy teal color with all this blue shimmer, and it is called Frontenac Blue. So those are the two inks that are launching December 1st, just today. I hope you guys enjoyed this Fountain Pen Friday. I would love to get your feedback on what kind of dip pen to use. Those are the swatches together. There's a little bit of sheen on there that you can catch in the light, and it's just by itself, and the two inks there again. Definitely use my link if you are interested in purchasing something from JFerris Wheel Press, and I will catch you tomorrow in the next video for PLANMAS. Thanks so much for watching, and come back tomorrow for the next installment of PLANMAS. Thanks for your support, and I'm glad to be back.